Discuss about home remedy for fever. First of all, what is home remedy? Home remedy is a treatment to cure a disease and with a certain spices, vegetables or other common items can be used. And home remedies may or may not have medical properties that treat or cure the disease. It means home remedy only treat or cure the diseases. Then what is fever? Fever is a body temperature above the usual range of normal, that is 36.6 to 37.2 degrees centigrade, and in Fahrenheit and in degree Fahrenheit 98 to 99 degree Fahrenheit, and it is caused by an elevation in thermoregulatory set point that is due to a disturbance of heat regulation, and the thermostatic mechanism controlling the heat gain and loss is set at a level higher than normal. And fever is an elevation of body temperature that exceeds the normal daily variation in conjunction with an increase in hypothalamic set point. And fever is also defined as a before noon temperature of more than 37.2 degrees centigrade or an afternoon temperature of more than 37.7 degree centigrade. Then now discuss the home remedies for fever or cure naturally at home. First one is tulsi. Tulsi is also known as holy basil, and the plant is used in numerous forms, including like in powder form, like in extract form, or in tonics, etc. And tulsi, along with its pungent taste and powerful constituents, make an medicinal or medicine for reducing the fever, and it also helps in purifying the body, helps to treat indigestion and maintain immunity. First of all, take a bunch of tulsi leaf and clean them in running water. Then squeeze the leaves and extract the juice out of it and drink this thrice daily before the meal. And tulsi is a main chemical constituent. Eugenol has a positive effect on maintaining the immunity, and tulsi was successful in improving the antipyretic activity. It means reducing the body temperature. And second one is ginger. Ginger is a highly recommended drug for curing the fever or reducing the fever, and ginger act as a stronger when fever is associated with congestion, and it also aids a healthy digestion. And how to take ginger? Ginger can be taken in the form of raw juice, and in the form of powder extract, or in combination with other herbs like tulsi. Ginger juice is the best for consumption before food twice a daily, and the main chemical constituents are available in the ginger is gingerol, which help in the management of fever. It means it helps the reducing the fever. And ginger also possesses an immunomodulatory, analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. And next one is giloy. Giloy, the drug, is also known as amrita, and this is commonly available climber, the best natural antipyretic found in recently, and its bitter, sweet and hot qualities make it an excellent remedy for the management of fever. This is the excellent remedy for the management of fever. And giloy is used in the form of powder. First of all, we take 500 mg of powder, can be used twice daily in divided dose along with a teaspoonful of honey, and in the presence of berberine, choline, tinosporine in the drug. These all are berberine, choline, tinosporine drug are the main chemical constituents of the giloy. It makes it a potent drug in active against the fever. And giloy is also boosts the immune system and keeping the individual healthy. It boosts the immune system also. Then next drug is peppermint. This is the peppermint. Peppermint is a popular ingredient, but it healthy remedy for many diseases, and it helps in treating the fever. And how to take for the treatment of fever. First of all, tea prepared with black pepper and dry ginger can be used in case of fever. The case of fever. Because black pepper in across the world today, there have been several studies. Piperine is the main chemical constituents available in the black pepper, which helping to significantly relieve from fever, and it protects from inflammation and infection as well. Then next drug is coriander seeds. Coriander seed is also known as dhania, and coriander seed to the boiling water, allow the water to cool down and drink after staining. And the main chemical constituents of the coriander is vitamins. In coriander, vitamins are present. It helps to boost the immunity, and this helps to keep the body cool, and it is very effective remedy against the viral fever. Very effective remedy against the viral fever. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, but still you have any problem, you can comment. So we will continue rest of our topic in next video. Till then, like and subscribe.